Welcome back. The producer-consumer pattern is a powerful model in multithreading. It uses a shared queue to decouple the task generator, the producer, from the task executor, the consumer. 1. Defining the shared queue. We start by creating a shared work_queue instance from the queue module. We set a max size of 5 to create a bounded buffer. This means the producer thread will automatically block if it tries to put an item into a queue that already contains 5 items. This is a built-in synchronization control. 2. The producer thread using .put parenthesis. The producer generates items, in this case, task number 1 through 10, and calls work_queue.put parenthesis. Since the queue is thread-safe, we don't need locks. Notice the critical last step, putting a special value, none, into the queue. This is a common way to signal to the consumer that no more tasks will be produced, allowing the consumer to shut down gracefully. 3. The consumer thread using .get parenthesis. The consumer runs an infinite loop and calls work_queue.get parenthesis. This call automatically blocks and sleeps if the queue is empty, efficiently eliminating polling. The consumer processes the item and then, if it receives the none signal, it breaks the loop but also puts none back into the queue to signal any other waiting consumers, ensuring a cascade shutdown. To summarize, the queue is the primary tool for clean data exchange between threads. Our next lecture 26.21. 3 types of queues. See you there.